If your retros feel boring and don't really lead to improvements or at least stronger team cohesion, you are wasting valuable, expensive hours of your software developer's time. But don't worry, I believe there is a software that can fix this. In this video, I'll show you the Retroboard tool I use every week to conduct a retrospective, and I'll highlight the 5 fun features I like most. Let's dive right into Echometer. Feature 1, Waiting Room Game. First up, the waiting room. Instead of staring at a blank screen when waiting for everyone to arrive, your team can play a little game like shooting balloons with a leaderboard to make it competitive and fun. It's a small touch, but it immediately energizes everyone before the retro even starts. Feature 2, the Retroboard itself. Next, the Retroboard itself is perfect for flexible retros. Firstly, add columns anywhere you like to structure discussions. You can flexibly enable anonymity if wanted. You can anonymously vote on feedback to prioritize where you want to put down an action item. And here's a cool one, you can link action items directly to the feedback from the retro, giving more context about the action item next time. Feature 3, Fun Icebreakers. Third, it comes with a fun icebreaker library, for example the car check-in or many other written prompts to get everyone talking and loosen up. Rule of thumb, if your team members don't say anything during the first 5 minutes of your retro, they will not do it in the rest of your retro, so don't skip the icebreaker. I would recommend trying it out. Fourth, it has tons of fun retrospective templates. Classics like Keep, Stop, Start, but also more playful options like 3 Little Pigs, or seasonal ones like Easter, Halloween and Christmas retrospective templates. Feature 5, ROTI Feedback. Finally, the ROTI feature, that's return on time invested. At the end of each retro, you can ask your team if the time was actually productive and fun, as you can see here. Here's what our ROTI score in my team looks like over the whole last year. Pretty happy with the engagement. This really helps us to continuously question how we can improve our retros and not waste time. Okay, you now have a good overview over Echometer, but I know that one tool it gets often compared with is the Parabol Retroboard. So I want to quickly show the 3 features that differentiate Echometer from Parabol. Now to start, Parabol offers a really great retroboard, don't get me wrong. But in my opinion, which is obviously biased, I admit that, Echometer offers 3 key advantages. Firstly, flexible brainstorming. Sometimes you want to flexibly brainstorm during retros, for example for action items, and whiteboards are really powerful to do that. Echometer offers whiteboards, Parabol doesn't. Second, data-driven insights. As a professional data-driven engineering manager, Scrum Master or Agile coach, you want to be able to spot burnout trends and similar things early on and do a regular happiness check. Echometer has flexible health check dashboards for this. Parabol doesn't. This is, for example, how much my team agrees with the question, I am super satisfied with our delivery in the last weeks over the whole last year. So we regularly ask this in our retro, and this is such valuable information to reflect and get better. Third, one-on-one meeting tool. Your core goal as the servant leader of your team is to help your software engineers get better at what they do. And besides the retro, the other routine to do this are regular one-on-one meetings between you and your employees. Echometer developed a tool for exactly this purpose, basically a software engineer coaching tool based on psychology, so it is brutally easy to unblock employees and have engaging, productive one-on-one meetings via the great templates and automation it offers. Parabol also doesn't have this feature. So these 3 points are the reasons why I would always recommend at least trying out Echometer in case you are interested in using Parabol, Trello or Jira as retroboard, or other retrospective tools like Team Retro, Retro, Miro, Retriometro, Easy Retro, Metro Retro. Man, there are so many out there. Alright, now you know how I keep retros actually fun. But if you want to take your retros even further, you should try doing the Spotify Health Check Retrospective, which uses 11 categories to evaluate the health of your team. Once again, you can conduct it in the Echometer Retroboard software. In the next video, I'll give you an 8-step tutorial so you can do it for free today or tomorrow. Fair enough. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want more tips on running better engineering teams.